Basic HTTP file downloading and saving to disk in Python? I'm new to Python and I've been going through the Q&A on this site for an answer to my question. However, I'm a beginner and I find it difficult to understand some of the solutions. I need a very basic solution. Could someone please explain a simple solution to downloading a file through HTTP and saving it to disk in Windows to me? I'm not sure how to use shuttle and OS modules either. The file I want to download is under 500 MB and is an GS archive file. If someone can explain how to extract the archive and utilize the files in it also, that would be great. Here's a partial solution that I wrote from various answers combined. Could someone point out errors, beginner level, and explain any easier methods to do this? Thanks.
A clean way to download a file is this downloads a file from a website and names it file.gz. This is one of my favorite solutions, from downloading a picture via erlib in Python. This example uses the erlib library, and it will directly retrieve the file from the source.
For Python 3+, ErlOpener is deprecated. And when used you will get error as below. URL_opener equals erlib.erlopener attribute error, module erlib has no attribute erlopener. So, try.
As mentioned here. Edit column. If you still want to use requests, take a look at this question or this one.
Four methods using WJ, erlib and request.
I use WJ. Simple and good library if you want to example. WJ module support Python 2 and Python 3 versions.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.